Science is full of mysteries waiting to be unraveled. One such enigma is phantom DNA. Imagine DNA leaving a ghostly fingerprint, a trace that persists even when the DNA itself is gone. This concept intrigues scientists globally. Phantom DNA challenges our understanding of biology. It suggests DNA might have properties beyond the physical helix. This is the adventure of phantom DNA, a tale of discovery and potential. DNA, or deoxyribonucleic acid, is the hereditary material in humans and almost all other organisms. Each cell contains the same DNA, which holds the instructions for development, survival, and reproduction. DNA is made up of nucleotides, including a phosphate group, a sugar group, and a nitrogen base. The sequence of these bases determines genetic information. Watson and Crick identified DNA's structure in 1953, a milestone in biological sciences. One hidden concept is phantom DNA, suggesting DNA leaves an imprint even after removal. This challenges the view that physical presence is necessary for genetic influence. Luc Montagnier's work hinted at DNA's influence beyond its physical presence, sparking scientific debates. Luc Montagnier, renowned for his discovery of the HIV virus, conducted experiments that brought the concept of phantom DNA into the limelight. His work suggested that under certain conditions, DNA can imprint electromagnetic signals into water, leaving a ghost of its presence. This groundbreaking experiment was both fascinating and controversial, sparking interest and skepticism alike. Montagnier's experiment involved highly diluted solutions of DNA molecules. These solutions were subjected to electromagnetic fields, and astonishingly, it appeared that water retained some form of the DNA's signature even after the DNA was no longer present. This suggested that water could somehow remember the DNA, preserving an imprint that could be detected through specific electromagnetic frequencies. The implications of this experiment were profound. If water can retain information about DNA, it challenges our current understanding of molecular biology and chemistry. It hints at a new kind of biological communication, one that does not rely solely on physical contact, but rather on electromagnetic signals. Critics argue that Montagnier's results could be due to contamination or experimental errors. Nevertheless, the idea that DNA can create a lasting influence through non-physical means is captivating. It raises questions about the fundamental principles of life and the potential for new discoveries in the field of biophysics. The phenomenon of phantom DNA has led scientists to explore various theories, including the potential role of quantum mechanics. Quantum mechanics describes the behavior of energy and matter at the smallest scales. Particles can exist in multiple states simultaneously and be entangled over distances. One hypothesis is that phantom DNA involves quantum effects, where DNA interacts with electromagnetic fields. This could explain how DNA imprints persist in water, suggesting biological systems operate on quantum principles. These theories, though speculative, open discussions about the intersection of biology and quantum physics. Section 5. Scientific skepticism, a community divided. The scientific community is known for its rigorous standards and skepticism, which are essential for the advancement of knowledge. The concept of phantom DNA has been met with a mix of intrigue and criticism. Many researchers are wary of accepting Montagnier's findings without further evidence, citing concerns about experimental reproducibility and potential contamination. Skeptics argue that the phenomenon of water memory lacks empirical support and challenges well-established scientific principles. They point out that extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence, and Montagnier's experiments, despite their intriguing results, have not been consistently replicated by other researchers. This has led to calls for more rigorous investigations to verify the claims. Critics also emphasize the importance of maintaining scientific integrity and caution against premature conclusions. They advocate for open-mindedness balanced with critical analysis, encouraging researchers to explore unconventional ideas while adhering to scientific methods. Despite the controversies, the dialogue around phantom DNA highlights the dynamic nature of scientific exploration. The debate surrounding phantom DNA underscores the importance of skepticism in science. It reminds us that while new ideas can push boundaries, they must withstand rigorous scrutiny to be accepted. This ensures that scientific progress is built on a solid foundation of evidence and reason. Section 6. Potential implications for medicine and quantum biology. The implications of phantom DNA, if proven, could revolutionize fields like medicine and quantum biology. In medicine, understanding how DNA might influence its environment through electromagnetic signals could lead to novel diagnostic and therapeutic techniques. This could transform how we detect diseases, allowing for non-invasive tests that pick up on the electromagnetic imprints of pathogens or genetic abnormalities. Imagine a world where illnesses could be detected early by analyzing the electromagnetic signatures they leave behind, much like how radio waves carry information. This could lead to more effective and personalized treatments, reducing the need for invasive procedures and improving patient outcomes. Quantum biology, a field that investigates quantum phenomena in biological systems, could gain new insights from the study of phantom DNA. It may help explain the complex mechanisms of biological processes at the quantum level, shedding light on how life operates in ways we are only beginning to understand. The potential applications of phantom DNA in these fields are vast, though they remain speculative until further research substantiates these possibilities. Nonetheless, the exploration of such ideas could pave the way for groundbreaking innovations that enhance human health and deepen our understanding of life's mysteries. Section 7. Technological Prospects, a New Frontier. Beyond its implications in biology and medicine, the concept of phantom DNA could inspire technological advancements across various fields. If electromagnetic signals can carry DNA information, this could lead to new forms of data storage and transmission, revolutionizing how we handle information. Consider the potential for creating biological data networks that operate on principles similar to wireless communication systems. These networks could store vast amounts of genetic information in compact forms, much like how digital data is stored in silicon chips. This could lead to breakthroughs in bioinformatics and enhance our capability to analyze and manipulate genetic data. Another area of potential is the development of sensors that detect electromagnetic imprints of biological substances, offering new ways to monitor environmental conditions or detect biological threats. Such technology could be used in agriculture to monitor plant health or in public health to track the spread of infectious diseases. The technological prospects inspired by phantom DNA remain largely theoretical at present. However, they highlight the interdisciplinary nature of science and the endless possibilities that arise when different fields converge. By exploring the unknown, we set the stage for innovations that could reshape the future. Section 8. Future Considerations, the Unanswered Questions. As we delve into the enigma of phantom DNA, several questions remain unanswered. How exactly do electromagnetic signals interact with biological molecules? Can the phenomenon be reliably reproduced under controlled conditions? What are the limitations of our current understanding, and how can they be addressed? These questions are crucial for advancing our knowledge of phantom DNA and its potential applications. They call for extensive research and collaboration across disciplines, encouraging scientists to develop new methodologies and technologies to explore these uncharted territories. There is also the philosophical question of what phantom DNA means for our understanding of life. If DNA can leave an imprint without a physical presence, it challenges our perception of reality and the material world. It suggests that life might be more interconnected and complex than we imagined, prompting us to rethink our place in the universe. These considerations emphasize the importance of curiosity and open-mindedness in scientific inquiry. By embracing the unknown, we not only push the boundaries of science, but also enrich our understanding of ourselves and the world around us. Section 9. Conclusion. The significance of phantom DNA. The phenomenon of phantom DNA represents a fascinating intersection of biology, physics, and philosophy. It challenges conventional wisdom and invites us to explore new dimensions of understanding. While it remains a subject of debate, its potential implications for science and technology are profound. Phantom DNA prompts us to think about the future of science and the possibilities that lie beyond our current knowledge. It encourages us to question assumptions and embrace uncertainty, fostering an environment where innovation can thrive. As we move forward, continued research and open dialogue will be essential. By doing so, we not only advance our understanding of phantom DNA, but also pave the way for discoveries that could transform the way we live and perceive the world. In conclusion, the story of phantom DNA is a testament to the power of curiosity and the endless possibilities of science. It challenges us to look beyond the visible and imagine the invisible, inspiring a future where the boundaries of knowledge are continually expanded.